Hello everyone, today I'm making tongue curry, and this video is dedicated to I am Iki. Yeah, I got some tongue. I cooked it, I bought it obviously, and it comes in a salted brine, and I cooked it for about 2 hours, cooled it off, pulled off the skin while it was warm, and then I just cut it up now into pieces because it's nice and cold. I kept it in the fridge. I'm going to make some tongue curry, and this is some butter and some coconut oil. Okay, my heat is on medium. I've got just like a couple of tablespoons of onions, not a lot, especially when you make a cream based. Well, for me personally, I don't add too much onion. I'm going to add loads of cream. The tongue is rich. We're going to break that with some black pepper and lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Okay, looky. So this is just going to sweet down a bit. Okay, put the heat a bit lower. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to add a scorchy water. Let the onions cook. There we go. Now, what I'm going to say about this, it's very much like I make my butter chicken, my prawn curry, the same kind of concept. It's just, it's cut up cooked tongue. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add tablespoon and a half of garlic and ginger. Okay, this is about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and the reason for that is I'm using quite a lot of cream, and this will also help break the richness of it, the acidity of the tomatoes. Tomatoes. Now I'm going to add a few curry leaves, not a lot because this is not a big amount. This will serve with a nice white rice. Will serve about 4 people, 4 to 5 depending. Okay, now I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon and a half of my masala mix. There we go. I'll just show you. Whoopie daisy. And just about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. This one side here, because I must wash up now after this, and stir. No sugar is going to go in here. The sweetness is going to come from the fresh cream. I've got 500 ml of fresh cream in my jug. There's my lemon and some dhania. Now I'm going to add some water to cook through the spices. Ooh, it's smelling good already. So Iki, this is Ikram de Wit. Tik nou reg. I hope you're going to watch this video. I'm going to tag you. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to cook this through for about 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, stirring occasionally, and make sure it doesn't burn. And you just add a little bit of water. Okay, and there we go. Okay dokie, so this bright color is going to change when I add all the cream, and it's going to be a light, almost yellowish color. Okay, so now I'm going to add my tongue. Okay. Also going to add some fresh coriander. Now remember the tongue is already cooked. So all I need to do now is just infuse it with the flavors here. And for the spices, if you want to add more, my masala mix already have cumin and coriander in it. If you want to add more, please do so. Make this according to your taste. Kyk hier, die lyk al klaar en klaar lekker, maar die stukkies so. Of is dit, het ek het reg gesny? Ek sny dit op my lepel. There we go. Yeah, when they dish it, they're going to script piece of gafty piece. You see, it softens now as it's cooking with the spices. Oh, lekker man. Now please, this is a rich and decadent meal. Moet dit elke dag en elke week maak. Just make it on special occasions. Ne? Okay, now I'm going to add my cream. Also going to put my heat a bit lower. Look at that. This must not feel a curry and a half, ne? Look at that. Come on. Da, 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 da. It's totally automatic. Okay, now cookie, simmer. And in the meantime, we're going to cut the lemon and get some more fresh coriander. Okay, just a little squeeze, and as niks bitjies in there, so that's quite okay. Did you see how quick that went? So if you prepped the tongue and cook it before the time, you do know you can actually get cooked tongue as well in the shops. I prefer to cook it myself because then I know how I want it. You've noticed I didn't add any salt, and there's a reason for that. Kyk hier, ek gebruik 2 lepels and I don't even know it. Ooh, I've been very demakaar of late. The tongue has been in brine and tends to be a little bit salty. Sometimes, depends. So I'm going to just take another spoon and taste. Okay, definitely some salt. The cream has cooked down. It's all very creamy and must now infuse with all that spices. And when the lemon hits this mixture, A4 away. Like I said, if you want to add more masala, please do so. I'm just keeping it quite mild. Okay. Okay, this is going to go for a couple of minutes. So 5 until the sauce has really thickened down. And then we'll be right back. Okay guys. Oh, one brand a bitjie. Now I'm going to add this lemon, squeeze of lemon. This will just break all that richness. And there the food is done. About 2 teaspoons, or to your taste, okay? There we go. Let me show you. Finishing klaar. Come on. Here we go. Tonkeri. Klaar. No long story. Can you believe it? Look at that. You can serve this with anything you like, any side condiment. And as you can see, it's easy to make. It's luxurious, decadent. Wag, laat ek gou 'n ander lepel vat, jy wil weer proe. Sorry for the video, guys. Oh my word. The lemon just brought it to another level. Okay. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. And there we go. I am icky. Here is your tongue curry. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone. Love you guys.